This video here is all about LipoCorpus supplements. So if you're looking up LipoCorpus supplements for a purple peel exploit, something having to do with advanced weight loss formula, it is a green and white bottle. It's called LipoCorpus. I have information that might be able to be very helpful to you. I have been seeing scam marketing for this product. I'm not calling the product a scam. I am, however, saying there's scam marketing happening. And I'm going to tell you what I know about this, because this is reusing. In the video that I saw, it's reusing marketing from another product called Mytelin. And so now the same video with someone supposedly named Andrew Lambert as the host is talking about something called LipoCorpus, advanced weight loss formula. And he's still referring to it in the video as a purple peel exploit. Here's what I know about this. This is something that has the guy named Andrew Lambert, but that's not his real name. He's an actor or spokesperson. He is someone who looks like, I believe it's Nebraska or Colorado, someone who was a local news anchor named Tom Mustin. And this person participated in marketing for this product, I guess not knowing that it was going to be very, not the most above board product, because I've seen different tactics in the marketing of this product on this website that is very nondescript and strange and not an official website that resembles scams I've seen before. So that's not good. It claims to, the guy claims to be research scientist Andrew Lambert, but his name in reality is Tom Mustin, and he is not a research scientist, so that is not good. They claim that there's a purple peel exploit or a purple peel exploit recipe, something having to do with a purple product that you're going to mix up in your kitchen and it's going to help you lose weight. But that is a recipe scam promise, which is a classic scam thing happening all the time with hundreds, if not thousands of different medicinal product scams where they claim they're going to reveal a recipe to you. Hey, in 30 seconds, wait 2 more minutes, we're going to reveal the ingredients, and they never do. That is to hook you to watch the entire presentation video. And that's not good, is it? No, it's not. Other than that, I didn't watch the whole video, but it looked like it was going to be the same video as Mytelin. They're going to claim that there's, Harvard and Yale have something to do with it, and they don't. And that a Mr. Peter Newman has something to do with this, and Dr. Nakamura, or something like that. A bunch of weird stuff. And none of this is good. I can't tell if the people who created Mytelin are trying to create this product as well. But if you're seeing this going around online, my advice about LipoCorpus advanced weight loss formula, LipoCorpus reviews, LipoCorpus supplements reviews, is to go and see a doctor in your town and to not order a product online when you are unable to easily figure out information about, like, where is it made, who created it, anything like that. Because if you can't find out where it's made, where is it bottled, who's the founder, where are the staff, do they have Christmas party photos from last year, anything normal that a normal company would have, and all you find is information like where they're selling it on like random vitamins websites with no further information about the identities of the people behind it, or maybe it's on Walmart.com or Amazon.com. So LipoCorpus Walmart, LipoCorpus Amazon. Doesn't mean anything. That's just a third-party listing. Doesn't mean Amazon and Walmart have tested it. You're not going to find it at a Walmart store in your town, is what I'm trying to say. It's only online, third-party listing. And you find propped up fake reviews and Instagram accounts created just called like LipoCorpus that has no information other than like a few different posts and maybe some Portuguese. So this is probably coming from Brazil. My advice is going to be to stay far away from this. This does not have miracle properties. There is no purple peel exploit. This is all something just to get you to give up your money through a scam funnel, unofficial websites. I'm not calling the product a scam. I am saying that the scam marketing funnel will try to get you to give them your credit card number. They will then maybe charge you more money. The scammers will. For that initial charge than it actually shows on your screen. They will charge you probably, if I had to guess, based upon all the scams I've seen that are similar, subscription charges of hundreds of dollars a month. I don't know that for sure. Again, I'm talking about scam marketing funnels, not the official website. As well as, money back guarantee. They're not going to honor that because it's going through a scam funnel. Why would they honor that? And I wanted to look here. I know you can't see my screen. I just want to see, the final link goes to a My Cart Panda website that has fake review scores of 9.4 out of 10 for the average with 32,624 reviews, which is a review score and review number I see all the time that's fake. The My Cart Panda page also says no auto ship, FDA registered. They're just lying to you over and over again just to get you to buy the product. And in fact, when you go to the My Cart Panda page at the end, it offers you not LipoCorpus, but instead LipoLess, which is very strange. GLP-1 support. So if you're looking around online for LipoCorpus supplements reviews, LipoLess GLP-1 support reviews and complaints, anything like that. Stay far away from this. Go see a doctor. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. This product will not have miracle properties. At the very best, it's a weight loss support supplement that has baseline, not side effects, but like results. Nothing is going to happen of significance. If it did, this would have credible backing, and it doesn't. This is something where people are using scam marketing tactics, or at least resembling scam marketing tactics, to try to get you to buy this through websites that are not official, going to MyCartPanda and a bunch of stuff, which is not good. So, and fake review scores, which is just the worst part of all. Like, comment, subscribe, join button. Thank you so much for watching.